Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you what's inside this September Scrawlr box. Last year my husband bought me a Scrawlr box as a gift because I was curious to see what it's like. You can find that video in my subscription playlist. I quite liked the box, but given financial constraints I didn't subscribe. This year, after checking other channels' videos, I noticed that Scrawlr have changed their boxes a little, and I decided to try out a 3-month subscription. The cost for a Scrawlr box is £15 per month, which includes postage within the UK, £45 for every 3 months, £85 for 6 months, and £165 for a whole year, which saves you £15. They also ship internationally, and shipping costs will be added at checkout. And with this out of the way, let's check what's inside the box. Okay, so this is it. What have we got here? We've got a sticker. This tells us what's inside the box. Sweet. And we've got Posca pens. I heard about Posca. I've never used them, so it's quite interesting to get to know them and test them out. So yeah, unusual colours. It's quite, well, they're pastels really, aren't they? Then we've got what's this? This is a black pen by Faber-Castell, which is one of my favourite brands. I quite like them. This is a 0.6. And then we've got a Mars Lumograph black pencil. I heard about Lumograph. I've never tried them either. This is a 2B pencil. All very good. Let's see what's underneath. So they have a magazine now. That's the September 2020 magazine. Last time I didn't buy it. It was a gift for me. Last year the box I had didn't have a magazine, so this is new. So here they show us again all the products that came in the box. And then we've got the featured artist. Some tips on how to use the pens. Gallery, so everyone who has a box can send them pictures. Well, this is interesting. They actually asked for suggestions what you want in the next boxes, so that's good to know. And what else have we got? Oh, we're not finished yet. So this is from the featured artist. SP0 is based in Bristol, so yeah, it's quite cute and quirky. And then we've got a sketch pad, A5 of course, because you can only fit A5 into a box like this. It's got 10 sheets, acid free. It's quite thick paper, specially designed for marker pens so they don't bleed through. So I will do some tests with these pens. So I will do a swatch test, and then I will try and paint something with them. I'm wondering if they have a theme or something, or we just can paint what we want. Let's have a look. Can't see it now. we'll have a look here later. Off to do some swatches now. The Mars Lumograph Graphite Pencil by Staedtler retails at £1.71. The retail price for the Eco Pigment Pen 0.6 by Faber-Castell is £3.35. The retail price for the Uni Posca Pens 5M is £4.12 each. These two Uni Posca Pens 3M retail at £3.75 each. This Gecko Freestyle pad is an A5 and has 10 sheets and was designed for this box, so you can't buy it anywhere else. The retail value of this pad is £2.49. And the total value of this box is £27.41. Here I am testing the pencil, and as you can see, it can get very dark. The pencil is a 2B. The Faber-Castell pen works as expected from this brand. I own a variety of their Pitt pens and like using them. These Posca pens take a bit of patience. To activate them you have to shake them well and then press the nib on the paper to make the paint flow. These are not necessarily the colors I would normally go for, but they work very well together. You can use water with them, but you need to do so while the color is still wet. You can also mix them when they are wet, but I haven't tried that. You can layer the colors, but you need to wait for the colors to dry. These pens do dry quickly on paper. When layering or mixing these pens, make sure to clean the nib in between the colors. These pens can be used on all sorts of surfaces: glass, metal, wood, plastic, textiles, not just on paper. Here I am testing Posca pens on metal and baked polymer clay. It takes quite a while for the paint to dry on these surfaces. This month's Scrawlr challenge was to create a character. So here is my character. This is Lucy, the friendly cat dragon. Lucy is a curious and mischievous cat dragon who likes fish and cuddles. It takes a lot to make her angry, and then she will lash out. I made a couple of sketches on normal cartridge paper and noticed that the Lumograph pencil was really difficult to erase. Good to know. Once I settled on my design, I traced it on tracing paper and transferred it to the gecko pad. I outlined the sketch with the Faber-Castell pen and then added the colors. What I noticed with the Posca pens was how quick they dry and how well they cover the surface. As I went over some of the black outline, I used the black Posca pen and went over the outline again. That created a thicker line. The white pen was perfect for the whiskers and highlights, and also useful to cover up mistakes. As you can see, the paper is thick enough to prevent the pens from bleeding through. I will use this pad to create more characters as I enjoyed this challenge. I might use the sketch also for creating a lino cut. I really enjoyed this month's box. I always thought of trying Posca pens, so it's nice to actually receive them in the box. The white pen is especially handy for whiskers and highlights, and anything that needs to be white, as it really covers dark areas well. I also like the fact that they now include a magazine with an interview with the featured artist and an easy-to-read description of all the items. The print on the small card is too small for me and really difficult to read. The magazine has also tips on how to use the Posca pens. I hope you found this video useful. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. And you can also donate via PayPal, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching, happy drawing, until next time.